Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and promote Amazon affiliate links on your Pinterest account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to of course sign up to the Amazon Associates program. So you could just go ahead and search Amazon Associates inside google.com, and inside you want to go ahead and click on their official website right here, amazon.com Associate Central. Inside you want to go ahead and read the terms and conditions for this specific program, so you want to go ahead and sign up to their program right here. Now, after signing up to their website, you want to go ahead and navigate through items that you want to go ahead and promote on your Pinterest account. So for example, I want to go ahead and promote something like gaming mouse. I'll go ahead and search it up right here. And for example, I want to go ahead and promote this specific product. I'll just go ahead and click on it. Now, if you are joined within the Amazon affiliate program, you will then have the ability to go ahead and get an affiliate link for this specific product. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and promote this product. I'll just go ahead and copy this link right here. But this is only an example. After that, you want to go ahead and navigate through Canva right here. Now, this is a free software graphic design website, and it is basically free to use. What you want to do is to go ahead and search Pinterest, and inside Pinterest, there's a lot of templates that you could go ahead and use. Once again, just go ahead and choose your preferred template right here. So for example, I want to go ahead and use this template right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on customize this template. And inside you want to go ahead and get a specific copy of this image. For me, I just screenshot this image right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it to my Canva template right here. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this image, and we're going to import our mouse right here, as you could go ahead and see. Now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and change this into something like best budget friendly gaming mice. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete this to keep it simple. Obviously, you could go ahead and make your graphic here better. Now, after designing your product, you want to go ahead and click on share, download, and just go ahead and download your file. After that, let's now open up our Pinterest account right here. And inside, you want to go ahead and create a new post. Let's go ahead and drag our image inside, which is the image from our Canva. And inside, I want to go ahead and type best budget-friendly mice. In the description, you could just go ahead and put that you are part of the Amazon affiliate program, and in the links, you could just go ahead and paste your link that we have copied right here, which is this one, and you want to go ahead and paste it in the link right here. You could go ahead and add your boards to make the post better, and you could also go ahead and tag the topics. And in that way, you will be able to promote your Amazon affiliate links in Pinterest. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.